Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for render price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We're gonna dive in the 1 hour chart for render what happened and what it might happen next. So we have, of course, our impulse finished toward the upside where we are looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 was given yesterday night by, of course, finishing a diagonal here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. The wave 5 is still shorter than the wave 3, therefore this is, of course, a finished diagonal for a wave 5 without invalidation on the micro levels. Of course, here for the wave 1, actually the wave 1 is exactly here. This is your A, B, and a C here for a wave 2. Your wave 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're looking right now at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the upside. And in this case scenario, we are looking now after for a wave 2 for a, of course, to continue this impulse toward the upside. Since we have already an impulse finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I would say that the bull run here might continue, of course. After catching this wave 2, I'm gonna remove, of course, the invalidation. No need anymore for it. This impulse was perfectly hit. So next target, guys, is a minimum requirement 0.38. But don't forget that, of course, the timing is a very interesting and very important here to watch, of course. And yeah, for the wave 2, I would say you can hit it already with the 0.38 here, which is the minimum requirement, I would say, and perfection would be the 0.618. So I would say like an ABC here as a zigzag might, of course, be the wave 2 unfolding and then starting a wave 3 toward the upside. Don't forget that we can even dive deeper to the golden box, of course, for a wave 2 here, where you might see, of course, somehow a deeper wave 2. It can be, of course, a very sharp zigzag where we see anyway right now an impulse toward the downside. We're gonna dive deeper inside it, of course, to see where are we heading with it. So basically this is what I'm looking for right now, and I would say like before tomorrow or after tomorrow, I would say like 2-3 days for a wave 2 to unfold. Of course, we'll need some time, and therefore we start to move toward the upside. Let's dive a little bit deeper on the 15-minute chart to see this move toward the downside, what it is. So obviously we have something impulsive here unfolding. Somehow you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for wave 1, wave 2, and then you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 toward the downside. And this might be, of course, a big wave A unfolding here with a massive impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So therefore, I'm saying, yeah, that we might see, of course, a deep wave 2 here as a big zigzag towards the downside, hitting the perfect fib levels as well for a wave 2. But we're gonna take it step by step. Of course, we'll see what's gonna happen next, of course, after the 0.38 and how this structure is gonna be finished soon. That was it for render. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.